Okay, 69 Plymouth satellite. We have engaged the passing gear manually underneath the transmission, connected the lever to a wire to apply full passing gear as if we were stepping on the throttle completely. First road test, the carburetor linkage would not engage the transmission, but now manually applying the passing gear at the transmission lever, this thing is now going down into low gear, as you can see now as we burn the tires. So we're getting a much better launch from the car, because now it actually shifts down the way it's supposed to and runs the way it should. You're really getting a lot of horsepower, torque, because the transmission is going down in gears. You watch that tach, that's how we can tell. We watch the tach to tell us what gear we're in, and it's dropping down. Before, we would be in third gear right now, which is not enough to drive this car. So definitely a lot of horsepower gain, torque. Now we know the problem, so we will get the solution that we recommend to you on it. Thanks for watching. This is Manny with Classic Auto Repair.